The transition from Web2 to Web3 represents a significant shift in how the Internet operates, focusing on decentralization, enhanced user control, and new economic models. Here's a comprehensive view of how this transition is likely to unfold. 1. Increased awareness and education. Public understanding. Efforts to educate the public about Web3, blockchain technology, and decentralized applications, DApps, will accelerate. Schools, universities, and online platforms will include Web3 related topics in their curricula. Corporate training. Companies will invest in training their employees to understand and leverage Web3 technologies. 2. Development of infrastructure. Scalable blockchain solutions. Improvements in blockchain scalability, like Ethereum 2.0, Layer 2 solutions, and new blockchain protocols, will address current limitations regarding speed, cost, and energy efficiency. Interoperability. Development of protocols that enable different blockchains to interact seamlessly, promoting a more interconnected ecosystem. 3. Mainstream adoption of decentralized applications. DApps growth. A surge in the development and usage of decentralized applications, DApps, across various sectors, including finance, DeFi, supply chain, healthcare, and social media. User-friendly interfaces. Enhanced user interfaces and experiences will make it easier for non-technical users to engage with DApps. 4. Regulatory evolution. Clearer regulations. Governments and regulatory bodies will develop clearer frameworks for blockchain and cryptocurrency, providing legal clarity and protection for users and businesses. Compliance solutions. Development of compliance solutions that integrate seamlessly with blockchain technology, ensuring that Web3 applications can adhere to local and international laws. 5. Economic incentives and models. Tokenization. More assets and services will be tokenized, enabling fractional ownership and new economic models. This includes real estate, art, intellectual property, and more. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Expansion of DeFi platforms offering a range of financial services, lending, borrowing, trading, without traditional intermediaries, providing more inclusive access to financial services. 6. Integration with existing systems. Hybrid models. Organizations will adopt hybrid models that integrate Web2 and Web3, allowing gradual transition without disrupting existing systems. For instance, centralized platforms may offer decentralized features. API and middleware solutions, tools and services that bridge Web2 and Web3 applications, facilitating seamless integration and interoperability. 7. Privacy and security enhancements. Decentralized identity. Adoption of decentralized identity solutions that give users control over their personal data and privacy. Enhanced security protocols. Implementation of advanced cryptographic techniques and security protocols to protect user data and transactions. 8. Community and governance models. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. Growth of DAOs that allow for decentralized decision-making and governance, giving users more control over the platforms they use. Community engagement. Increased focus on community-driven development and user feedback, fostering more engaged and loyal user bases. 9. Increased investment and innovation. Venture capital and funding. A rise in investment from venture capital firms and other investors in Web3 projects, driving innovation and development. Research and development. Ongoing R&D efforts in areas like quantum-resistant cryptography, zero-knowledge proofs, and new consensus mechanisms. 10. Cultural shifts. Shift in mindset. A cultural shift towards valuing decentralization, privacy, and user empowerment over centralized control. Adoption by influencers. Prominent figures and influencers endorsing and adopting Web3 technologies, further driving public interest and adoption. 11. Digital identity and ownership. Self-sovereign identity. Development and adoption of self-sovereign identity, SSI, solutions where individuals control their own digital identities without relying on centralized authorities. NFTs beyond art. Expansion of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, into areas like digital identity, intellectual property, and credentialing, ensuring verifiable ownership and authenticity in a decentralized manner. 12. Enhanced decentralized communication. Decentralized social media. Growth of decentralized social media platforms that offer greater user control over data and content, reducing reliance on centralized entities that can censor or manipulate information. Peer-to-peer networks. Increased usage of peer-to-peer, peer-to-peer communication networks that offer greater privacy and security compared to traditional centralized communication platforms. Number 13. Evolution of Web3 services. Decentralized marketplaces. Development of decentralized marketplaces for goods and services, enabling direct transactions between buyers and sellers without intermediaries. Web3 browsers and tools, popularization of Web3 browsers and tools that enable seamless interaction with decentralized websites and applications. 14. Interdisciplinary collaboration. Cross-sector integration, integration of Web3 technologies across various sectors such as healthcare, education, supply chain management, and entertainment, fostering interdisciplinary innovation. Collaborative ecosystems, creation of collaborative ecosystems where different stakeholders, including developers, businesses, regulators, and users, work together to advance Web3 initiatives. 15. Global inclusion and empowerment. Financial inclusion. Web3 technologies will drive financial inclusion by providing unbanked and underbanked populations with access to financial services through decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms. Empowering creators. Empowerment of creators and artists through decentralized platforms that offer fair compensation, direct interaction with audiences, and control over their work and earnings. 16. Sustainability and green technology. Eco-friendly blockchain solutions. Development and adoption of environmentally sustainable blockchain solutions that address the energy consumption concerns associated with proof of work, POW, mechanisms. Sustainable practices. Encouragement of sustainable practices in the development and deployment of Web3 technologies, aligning with global environmental goals. 17. New business models. Token economies. Emergence of new business models centered around token economies, where tokens are used to incentivize behavior, distribute rewards, and govern ecosystems. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, proliferation of DAOs as a new organizational structure, allowing for decentralized governance and decision-making in businesses and communities. 18. Advancements in decentralized storage. Distributed storage solutions, growth of decentralized storage solutions like IPFS, interplanetary file system, and Filecoin that offer secure, efficient, and resilient data storage. Privacy and control, enhanced privacy and control over data through decentralized storage, reducing dependency on centralized cloud storage providers. 19. Legal and ethical frameworks. Ethical standards, development of ethical standards and best practices for Web3 technologies, ensuring responsible and fair use. Legal innovation, evolution of legal frameworks to accommodate the unique aspects of decentralized technologies, providing clarity and protection for users and developers. 20. Community-driven innovation. Open source development, promotion of open source development models where the community can contribute to and benefit from advancements in Web3 technologies. User-centric design, focus on user-centric design principles that prioritize user needs, preferences, and feedback in the development of Web3 applications. Conclusion. The move from Web 2 to Web 3 is a transformative journey that will redefine how we interact with the digital world. It is characterized by decentralization, enhanced user control, new economic models, and a focus on privacy and security. This transition will be driven by advancements in technology, evolving regulatory frameworks, and cultural shifts towards valuing decentralization and user empowerment. Collaboration across sectors, interdisciplinary innovation, and community-driven development will be crucial in ensuring a smooth and successful transition. As these elements come together, Web 3 will unlock new possibilities, creating a more inclusive, transparent, and user-centric digital ecosystem that benefits individuals, businesses, and society as a whole. Key challenges and considerations. While the transition from Web 2 to Web 3 presents numerous opportunities, it also comes with challenges and considerations that need to be addressed. 1. Scalability. Blockchain performance, improving the scalability of blockchain networks to handle a large number of transactions per second, TPS, without compromising security and decentralization. Layer 2 solutions, development and adoption of Layer 2 scaling solutions, such as sidechains and rollups, to enhance the performance of blockchain networks. 2. Security. Smart contract security, ensuring the security of smart contracts to prevent vulnerabilities and exploits that could result in significant financial losses. Data privacy, implementing robust data privacy measures to protect user information in decentralized applications. 3. User experience. Ease of use, simplifying the user experience to make Web 3 applications accessible to non-technical users. Onboarding, streamlining the onboarding process for new users, including user-friendly wallets and simplified transaction processes. 4. Interoperability. Cross-chain communication, enhancing interoperability between different blockchain networks to enable seamless asset transfer and data exchange. Standards development, establishing industry standards for interoperability and compatibility across various Web3 platforms and protocols. 5. Regulatory compliance. Legal clarity, working with regulators to develop clear and supportive legal frameworks that foster innovation while protecting consumers. Compliance tools, developing tools and solutions that help decentralized applications comply with regulatory requirements without sacrificing decentralization. 6. Adoption. Education and awareness, promoting education and awareness about Web3 technologies to drive adoption among businesses, developers, and consumers. Enterprise integration, encouraging enterprises to integrate Web3 technologies into their operations and explore decentralized business models. 7. Sustainability. Energy efficiency, addressing the environmental impact of blockchain technologies by developing and adopting energy-efficient consensus mechanisms. Sustainable practices, promoting sustainable practices in the development and deployment of Web3 infrastructure and applications. Looking ahead. The shift from Web2 to Web3 represents a paradigm shift in the digital landscape, promising a more decentralized, secure, and user-centric internet. While the transition will be gradual and complex, the potential benefits make it a compelling and necessary evolution. By addressing the key challenges and leveraging the opportunities presented by Web3 technologies, the world can build a more equitable and inclusive digital future. This will require collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to the principles of decentralization and user empowerment that lie at the heart of Web3. As we move forward, the focus should be on creating robust, scalable, and user-friendly solutions that bridge the gap between Web2 and Web3, ensuring a smooth transition that maximizes the benefits for all stakeholders. Through continuous innovation and collaboration, the vision of a decentralized web can be realized, paving the way for a new era of digital interaction and opportunity.